The creation process for the equation editor has been updated to make it easier to build several subtypes in the equation editor items. In order to start, go to Equation Editor and the type of assessment. Be sure to fill in your reporting categories and SE. Enter the question text. After I've entered my question, I want to place the cursor where I want the equation answer. So I'm going to click here, and now I want to click on the equation editor icon. It's the first icon in the second row. As you hover over it, you will see the words appear, equation editor. So I'm going to click on that. When the equation type answer is checked, that means I'm going to enter the correct answer. This is what is expected from the student. If the equation type answer is left unchecked, then the equation you type in will show up as part of the question. I'm going to type in my first answer and click Insert as Answer. Notice my entry will show up as shown and will be surrounded by double square brackets. Next, I have to enter the X is greater label, which will show up on the question. You can enter this using your regular keys. The next entry will be the second answer the students need to put in using the equation editor. So I'm going to go back there. Note, the equation type answer is still checked. I'm going to insert my second number. Now you can see how the equation is beginning to look. I'm going to continue with my equation by typing it in, and I want to enter my final number. I want to save this and preview it to see how it will look to the student. You can see the question. You can see the equation. The students will be required to enter the answers in the boxes provided. You can go back and make any changes you choose. For instance, I want a space there so it looks a little better. Space here. Now I'll save it again, and you can see my changes have been made. Now I can go to my test preview to see exactly how the student will view this question and how they will enter their answers. They will need to click in the box and enter their answers, and the equation editor questions have a maximum point value of 1 point in EduGens. To get credit, the student has to get any one of the possible correct words or phrases or numbers, and if they do not, they will get 0 points.